In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Canva templates. 2025. Step by step. Open your web browser and head to Canva. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so your work saves automatically. On the home page, look for the Create button. Click it, then choose what you want to design. I'll use a business card as the example, but you can pick any format you need. Once you see the option you want, select it to open your canvas. Let's set the background. Click anywhere on the background, then use the color selector at the top. Scroll through the available swatches or add a custom color to match your brand. Consistency matters, so choose colors you plan to use throughout your template. Next, add text. On the left sidebar, click Text, then add a text box. Type your main details, like a headline or name. To quickly create a matching subtitle or role, click the duplicate icon. This keeps your fonts and spacing consistent. Resize your text by dragging the corners and move it into place. Canva's smart guides help with alignment so everything looks clean and professional. If you have a logo, click Uploads on the left, then Upload Files and select your logo from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish, click the image to drop it onto your canvas, then resize and position it. You can also type your company or brand name near the bottom to balance the layout. For contact details, go to Elements and use the search bar to find icons like email, phone, and location. Click an icon to add it, resize, and move it where you want, and repeat the process for any additional icons you need. Add short text next to each icon to label the detail. Keep it simple and avoid sharing sensitive personal information if your template will be public. If you want a backside for your business card or a second page in your template, click Add Page. You can change the background color again for variety, upload the logo, and add your company or brand name here too. To fine-tune typography, click any text and choose a font style from the dropdown. Scroll to explore options that match your brand voice. Use the plus or minus controls to adjust size precisely. To change text color, click the colored A and select a swatch that complements your background and icons. That's it. You've built a clean, reusable Canva template you can customize anytime. Save your project and you're ready to create variations in minutes.